Hey everybody, welcome back to the AquaTree channel. I'm Alex and we're so happy to have you joining us today. How do I clean my AquaTree? We're going to talk about that in this video. But first, if this is your first time with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our awesome community. And if you don't find what you're looking for in this video, we welcome you to explore our other amazing videos. We have tons of valuable content to help you master your AquaTree game, from expert tips and tricks to wonderful insights from our community members. Today, we're going to discuss cleaning your AquaTree. You've grown your crops, harvested and eaten some of those delicious veggies, and now it's time to get your system ready for the next round. Well, we've got you covered. As you can see here, my AquaTree is empty and ready for a reset. Truthfully, the best way to clean your system is just to disassemble it, run the non-electric parts through a full cycle in your dishwasher, and bam! Done. To keep your AquaTree in tip-top shape for the long haul, we recommend a deep clean once a month or after a harvest of crops that need a longer growth cycle, such as lettuce. A deep clean just means getting in there with some elbow grease. So you'll want to use some warm soapy water and wipe down each tray and part that you would typically clean in the dishwasher. If your crops need nutrients to grow, there's a possibility you may see some residue from the nutrients that your plant didn't consume. It's perfectly normal and nothing to be concerned about. You may have noticed a bristle brush that came in the box that looks like this. It's the perfect size to squeeze into the small nooks and corners where nutrient or plant buildup may occur. Simply brush over these areas with warm soapy water to remove the residue. Areas like this bend or this hole in the tray or these holes in the spout especially benefit from this extra attention. With the proper care and attention, you'll be able to grow free with the AquaTree for years to come. I'm Alex, and I'll see you in the next one.